Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Django ERP project, ERP system using Claude Code CLI. I will show you everything step by step. For the project, as it is a Django project, we need to have Python installed in our PC. So let's go for the Python at first. We're going to go for the browser and then go for the Python. And then you have to download this. Click here, download, then you can download from here, or maybe you can actually hover on the downloads and then you can download the latest version. Okay, click here, then it will start downloading. I already download and install it in my PC. You just have to install it. Installation process is really simple. Just download the file, double click on the file, then install it. If you are from macOS, you have to download this file and then go for the folder, downloaded folder. Here you can see download, and here you will get the file. Let's say this is the file. Now you have to actually drag and drop here in this application. That's it. Or maybe you can actually double click on the file. Okay, double click on the file. Let's say any specific file, and then there will be a pop-up window. Okay, and here it will show you the direction. From, let's say, left to right, you have to drag and drop the file. Okay, that's it. Then you can actually install it. So I have shown you the process. I'm not going to go in details because it will take too much time. All right, so I'm assuming that you can install it. Now to check you have successfully installed Python in your PC or not, you can actually say here Python version. Okay, then you'll get the Python version. But here in macOS we have to say here Python 3 version. Then I'll get the Python version, and that is here you can see 3.14.4. That's it. Now we have installed Python. Now the thing is we have to install Claude Code CLI. So to install Claude Code CLI, we have to actually have npm in our PC. Go for the Node.js. Okay, type Node.js and go for the nodejs.org. Go for the Node.js download. You will find this link here. You can see nodejs.org. Now you can actually click here, download Node.js, and from here you can select any long-term support version, then download this file, install it in your PC. Simple. Now we are going to actually install Claude Code CLI through a package installer that is called npm. So here we are going to say npm, then install install -g, then at anthropic anthropic -ai/Claude code. Okay, now if you hit enter, then it will start installing. But in macOS we have to actually use here sudo super user do sudo. Okay, that's it. Now the thing is we will open Claude Code CLI in a specific folder. Let's say here in the downloads I want to create a folder. Let's name it as Django ERP, okay, Claude. This is my project, and here I want to open terminal. So right click on the folder and open terminal here. And here you can see our terminal is inside a specific folder that is called Django ERP Claude. In Windows, you have to actually go inside the folder, and here you have to open terminal. Now I have open terminal here. You can see in a specific folder, and here I'm going to open Claude. So say here CLAUDE Claude and hit enter. Now you can see, yes, I trust this folder. I'll say yes, and here is the Claude Code terminal CLI, okay, command line interface. Here we have to write down about our project, and it will actually consider it as a prompt, and then it will generate the project for us. But I will suggest you to go with a professional prompt, because a professional prompt can make a professional site. So as it is AI, so you should give it a professional prompt. Okay, so to generate a professional prompt, either you can go for the Claude Chat. Okay, Claude Chat, you can download desktop app, or maybe you can go to the Claude.ai. Okay, Claude.ai, and you can log in through your account. You're already logged in, right? Because otherwise you cannot actually install Claude CLI. All right, so either you can go Claude Chat, either you can go for ChatGPT. So for the prompt, I will suggest you to go with ChatGPT. Why? Because this is not, fully a premium. You have a limitation, certain limitation, and you can actually generate prompt 3. But in Claude, there we have here, the pro version, and here we have token value. So if you generate a prompt through, use this token, then I think this is not good. So you can actually go with Gemini or ChatGPT. So let's go for the ChatGPT. You can go with Gemini also, okay? And here we have to mention what you want basically. Give me a prompt. Give me a professional prompt. Hit enter, then it will give us a professional prompt. Here you can see. So I'm going to copy this, okay? Now you have to go through it. If you need to change anything, you can mention here in the chat option and then regenerate the prompt, okay? I'm okay with this for the tutorial purpose. So let's copy this and go back to the terminal. And here we have to paste it. So paste it. Here we go. Now hit enter. And here we don't have to do anything. It will complete the whole project for us. So I'll fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll back and I'll show you the output of this project. So that's it. So guys, here you can see it complete the whole project for us, and it also actually ran the server also. These are the credentials for the manager, for the staff. These are the credentials here you can see. And we have to go here for the dashboard. So it actually ran the server, so we don't have to run it. Now let's copy this and go back to the browser. And we are going to paste it here. Hit enter. Now let's go for the credentials. So let's copy this. Here we go, paste it. And then the password is admin123 exclamatory sign. Copy this, paste it here, sign in. Not now. Here we go. We have a nice, really good looking dashboard here you can see. So we have employee section. We can add employee, right? Yes, here you can see we can add employee. Then we can go for the attendance section, leaves, payroll, then products. We can add product also. And here we go. You can click here, add product. Yes. And then customers, and everything is working here basically, and perfectly also. So that's it, guys. I have shown you how you can generate or create a fully functional ERP system, a Django ERP system using Claude Code CLI. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.